Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an inspired look by Jennie from Blackpink. This is one of their teaser concepts for their new comeback. How you like that? I'm so excited, by the way, but I saw this Jennie look and it was one of my favorite looks. I liked her look and Rosé's look the most, but I decided to go for Jennie just because I think it's like something very different. It's very grungy and just out of my comfort zone, so I decided to go for that. This video is done in collaboration with my good friend Denise. She is doing Jisoo's look from this comeback, so I will leave her video link down below in the description box for you guys. But I am pretty much just doing my base right now. I used a tinted moisturiser to just even out my skin tone, and now I'm using a full coverage concealer to cover up any of my imperfections and scars and my dark circles and stuff like that. I'm now just going to set down that concealer. I'm just going to use this Fenty Beauty loose powder to set that in place, and I'm also going to use this powder to set my T-zone as well. And then I'm just taking a pressed powder to set down the rest of my face, making sure everything is locked in. And now I'm going to start filling in my brows. I'm taking this brow pencil from AOA Studios and I'm just going to use this to map out my brow shape. I am drawing my brows a lot straighter than I usually would, but then I'll go in with a thinner and more precise brow pencil to really sharpen and make the brow shape more precise. But Jennie's brows, I feel like they're pretty natural looking and you can really see her hair texture, so I'm going in with a brow gel to help achieve that because you guys saw my brows. I don't have any brow hairs, so brows is something I struggle with, but they're just going to be a straighter, bushier brow. I'm then going to go into the Colourpop Honey eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take the shade Buzzkill and I'm just going to pack this on all over my lid, and then I'll go in with a really big fluffy brush to blend that out in my crease and towards my brow bone. From the pictures that I saw and the videos, it does seem like she has sort of like a dirty mustard shadow all over her lid, but it's very subtle, so I thought this was a really ideal shade to use. And for the red shadow, I'm going to go into the Colourpop Main Squeeze eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take the two shades Like It's Hot and Seed Money. I'm going to mix the two and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. I'm using a fluffy brush to really diffuse this out. You want the most redness and pigmentation right at your lower lash, and then once you feel like there's no product left on your brush, that's when you slowly want to start bringing it out. You want the most darkness right underneath your eyes, and then you're going to bring it down and towards like an upside down triangle, sort of like a clown eye in a way. It does look pretty scary and creepy, but I think that is the whole vibe. I'm really excited to hear how it's going to sound. Then I am taking my black liquid liner and I'm going to use this to create a little wing. Jennie has like a super duper baby wing, and I don't know guys, doing a little baby wing is really hard for me to do. So mine's a little bit more thicker and more dramatic than hers, but she does have like a little subtle baby wing. And now I'm just going to prep my lashes by curling them and applying mascara. The mascara I'm using today is from Fenty Beauty, just to prep them for our false lashes. And I'm only going to apply mascara to our top lashes. To finish off the eyes, I'm just going to take this red eyeliner from Colourpop. It's my absolute favorite. Can you see how creamy and pigmented that red is? But I'm just going to use this to tightline my bottom waterline. And here we are, just popping on our lashes. I'm using the Ardell 110 Natural Lash. It doesn't look like Jennie has lashes on, but I just need a bit of oomph for my lashes. Also, it doesn't look like Jennie applies any bronzer to her face, but I just want to add a little, so I'm using a cream bronzer from Colourpop, and I'm just going to apply that under my cheekbones and under my jawline, and then I'm just going to contour my nose with my NYX contour palette. As for my lip pairing, I went with the Colourpop Just a Tinted Lip Crayon. I first applied City of Stars, and then I put Overexposed on top to make it a little bit more orange and less red. Alright you guys, so this is the completed Jennie makeup look from their new comeback teaser. Let me know how you guys feel about this look. Let me know if you guys are excited for their comeback. I know I am. I'm so excited to hear a full album from them, so that's really exciting. If you guys liked this look, give it a thumbs up. It was fun for me to do, but it was also a little bit intimidating because I didn't know if I could pull it off, and it's just so different, and the vibe, it's super grungy. So hopefully you guys like seeing something a little bit different from me and seeing another inspired K-pop makeup look. Don't forget to check out Denise's video. I'll leave all her links down below. But with that being said guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya!